if I can have the answer by 10 a.m., I can go to the chief software engineer and say, hey, we've got this issue and this is what happened. And can we talk to the relevant people? Well, when I started doing that, um, my manager loved it. We suddenly had a feedback loop telling us whether or not something there was a major breakage. And it's better to know that something's been broken within the last 24 hours than within the last 3 months. This is the reason why software, the cost of software development has been very complex, because it's like, well, something breaks. When did it break? Did it break last week or last month or last year? This is some of the analysis that people have been doing. And so they would bake in all these costs to say, well, you can write code, but we need to add extra cost for the integration phase. We need extra cost for the testing phase, and we need extra cost for the deliverable phase. And it's like, what if we could do like a miniature version of release? What all is involved to do a release? You need to make sure you're on the right version. You need to build everything. Now, today we also say you need to test everything, and then you need to bundle it up for release. Well, what if we could knock out the first two on a daily basis? Now, at that point in time, I didn't have any kind of like email, or I didn't have an email message get sent to me. Maybe I could have. I didn't know how to do that. And I certainly didn't have any, iPhone text alert to notify me about stuff, but I would just come in and look and see what the results were. And this is when I got my first taste of what would later come to be known as continuous integration.